How to optimize content for Google's Discover. In this video session, I'm going to share with you tips and insights for you to consider to take advantage of free website traffic coming from Google Discover. Understand your audience. That means you already know your target audience, correct? But you can further analyze your target audience using Keyword Planner tool with Google Ads. If you're using Google Search Console, which is recommended by Google, then you have performance reports. You can see what people are searching for to find your website. Better yet, if you're using Google Analytics, under User Attributes, you can learn more about your target audience, such as their interests and so on. Because the content that you create should be relevant to your target audience's interests. Then we need to use high quality images. We need to have image at least 1200 pixels in width, and we need to have max image preview set to large. You can check your source code of your landing page to ensure that you are providing that directive using meta tags. Then, once you identify your target audience's interests and the type of content that they will find useful, then it's just a matter of creating your content. Then the guidelines tells us to create titles that is attention grabbing, it's compelling, but at the end of the day it has to describe the content that you're creating. Then your landing pages should provide a great user experience on mobile devices. You can use Web Developer Toolbar to test the responsiveness of your website by pressing on F12 on your keyboard, toggle the mobile device emulator, and then simply browse through your website and see how the user experience is provided. At the end of the day, Google Discover feature is related to mobile search. Then here we can promote our content. There are many different places on internet that you can share your content. If you have Facebook business page, you may be promoting your content on YouTube or Reddit community, particularly Reddit community, because 2024 updates Google has made, it's showing Reddit or related communities more so in search results. That means once you create your content and publish it, you want to share it on different social media platforms. Then you can track your performance. The easiest way to do that is Google Search Console, which is recommended by Google. But as I've said, if you're using Google Analytics, that gives you a bit more insights as to how your content is performing. Now, before I close up, if you're beginning with Google Search, I'll show you the Discover feature. So if you're just beginning, do this. With your family and friends, anytime you interact with them, you can simply ask them to search for your website details, perhaps using their smartphone, and then simply follow your own website. As in, ask your family and friends to start following your website by searching Google. But remember, by searching Google for the target keywords that your content is optimized for. So that will be a great start. to build a bit of momentum for Google's Discover feature. Okay? So, all you need to do is create content that is useful and helpful using high quality images, optimized titles, make sure your website is mobile ready, and you promote your content on social media profiles because Google follows links. Then simply analyze your reports and be dynamic, because on internet things happen quick, especially in 2024. And moving forward, the experiences are changing in Google search. That's why you want to make sure that you take advantage of all the features that Google offers your business website. And one of them is the Discover feature. And in the upcoming tutorials, I'll show you how to add structured data as well. I thank you for learning with Rankia, and I'll talk with you in the next video session.